build positive life chat experience for your viewer. Choose participate, set delay. Bwana Penny, somo yake songo ni ivinje. Moderation help everyone feel safety. To build a positive live chat experience for you and your viewer. Choose who can participate. Set a delay between message. Adomog Makulos.
Bwana ni nuru na pesa mtunguru kuna pesa negative 150 ni bwana Mungu na mwana bato neno bwana ni nuru pesa sio nuru pesa ndio bwana ni nuru pesa Nuru na message. Hi, is there a chance to get back the money because I wanted to send to the children and didn't check the message that they changed the account? I know that there is no chance, but just think to the kids. Thank you. And again, hello, Kumbuyuni children, Diani, this is the right account. And you say hello. To mine up in your own point of view for the transaction yet. I delivered it to Kumbuyuni Junior. Kindly contact the manager, please, to confirm. Koro message mnagioro na ipepa leo.
Ano rangi cho, ngene one light.
Oh.
Yeah, hello. Adnasa. Today I have my student Adnasa. Thank you so much. Naseka cha kugift bwana. Adnasa. Yeah. Pana nikao nyati madungu kusema.
Mimi sana kawa.
Mbeta hapo. Yeah. What are them? Yeah, Adnasa, thank you so much. This is Maka Mugenda. I'm here with my student, and today we want, hello bro Adnasa, this is a class of instrument. Now I'll be giving you some classes now for those who are watching, because I have seen a lot of comments asking how to play the instrument. Yeah, so let's continue. Vale. Yeah, welcome in your TT class now. Yeah. Sailamun. Hey, yeah, Becky, umechange jina. Pesadi. Ini baru pesadi. Hah? 150. Tati ore mara chio. Nongalonge mara chan. Yawa nyako nongalonge mara chan. I see Charlie nongalonge mara chan. Charlie nongalonge. Hello. Nongalonge mara chan. Maori duka. Yeah, guys, this is Nyatiti class now. I know you are enjoying the vibe. My name is Maka Mugenda. Yeah. Adna Samab. Adna Samab. Yeah, I see. Crap also in the vibe. Daddy, oh, daddy. Daddy, oh, daddy. Yeah. Daddy, oh, daddy, what they? Daddy, oh, daddy, Navita, daddy, oh, daddy, daddy, oh, daddy, Anasa, that lady with the white trouser, that lady with the white trouser, daddy, that lady with the white trouser, I think it's daddy, that lady with the white trouser. Headquarters on the vibe. Yeah, Charlie. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Daddy, are you dancing now? Craft also in the vibe. Craft together also in the vibe on YouTube. They are watching on YouTube. Charlie bang bang, Charlie bang bang, ha, Charlie bang bang, Charlie bang bang, Charlie bang bang, yeah, Charlie bang bang, Daddy mama, Daddy mama, Daddy mama, yeah, Daddy dance, Daddy dance, Daddy dance, Daddy dance, Daddy dance, Daddy dance. Yeah, Gelonge Marachan, Gelonge Marachan, Gelonge Marachan, Gelonge Marachan, Gelonge Marachan, yeah, Gelonge Marachan. We gonna, yeah, ha. Jenny, oh Jenny, Osama, Jenny, oh Jenny. We gonna, we gonna, yeah, gonna, shouting. I saw DJ vibe party. Daddy bang bang, daddy bang bang, party bang bang. Yeah. Just keep on watching. We gonna, yeah, we gonna, yeah. This is Nyatiti class now. Anasa, 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 yeah, anasa, anasa, walala, baba. Walalo Baba, welcome. Walalo Baba, yeah. Daddy join, Daddy you can join, Daddy you can join, Daddy you can. Anasa you can join this class. Ovelo join, Maxwell join, yeah. Maxwell join, Frankie join, yeah. Charlie baby, Charlie yeah, Charlie baby, Charlie yeah. Charlie baby, Charlie Wanga, Charlie, yeah, wee, Miss Mwikalia. Yeah, guys, keep on watching this Maka Mugenda, Miss Mwikalia. This is a vibe with Maka Mugenda now. Hey, these are like Kanyaboli ne Aneni. Yeah, thanks so much. There's a guy who see me on Lake Kanyaboli. I was playing there. Nati also in the vibe. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. This is a class now, guys. for those who want to join this kind of class. We are now enjoying our culture, guys. You know we are an Africans and they are Omera. These are traditional music. Miss Mwikalia. Me a chel which is Kel munda amipia. Yeah, the belly goes gonna cobbler. Yeah, right now my student is now playing. Yeah, itemo buwanja baba. Yeah. Purity. And now the student is now playing. Yawane no nyako moro kato nyingenga. Yawane no nyako moro kato nyingenga.
Nyako no kilunge mara. Nyako no kilunge mara.
Bigona.
Nyako no kilunge mara.
Iwe
Nyako no kilunge mara.
Wolono
Nyako no kilunge mara. Nyako no kilunge mara. Nyako no kilunge mara.
Unafaa kuwe na maji hapo bwana.
Nyako no kilunge mara.
Yololo.
Nyako no kilunge mara.
Ati yore mane chiro.
Nyako no kilunge mara.
That lady with the white trouser.
That lady with the white trouser.
Gonna.
Nyako no kilunge mara.
Wala la.
Nyako no kilunge mara.
Yeah, guys, keep on watching, guys. This is Makamuganda Omboti Comedian Omera Joey. Yeah, this is a class, guys. Nyatiti class now is going on. Yeah, that's the news, madam. That's over. Let's continue now. It's now Ben Master. Makia. For the nation also in the vibe. Hey, Kanyoko. Daddy, Nadia, are you ready now? We gonna Golaya. Yeah, Nadia Golaya. Jose Golaya. Now remember this now is lunchtime vibe with Makamuganda also in the vibe. There's a guy also asking if I'm born again. Father of nation, Father of nation, Father, oh Father, Omera. Father, oh Father, Father of nation, Kulawaya. Yeah, keep on watching, guys. Wagomane baba. Yeah, oh no, guys, this is now a class of instrument now. I'm just trying to show you what I've been doing, teaching someone how to know the instrument. I got someone. The student is now complaining he wants I want the small instrument. Okay, let's continue. I'm Indiani. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I see craft together also on the YouTube. Oh no, Israel. Oh no. I see more Jackson. My fourth wife is now back. Hello? Testa kuka, testa kuka, testa kuka, dedio, dedio, bang bang bang, morning time, natie kore kore, kore kore, dei baba kore kore, alo kore kore, this is a lifetime by kore kore, a titi class kore kore. Yeah, are you now dancing? Go down, what it go down, yeah, go down, ha, naughty, go down, naughty, yeah, go down, MC Moana, MC Moana, these are Nyatiti class, go down, yeah, go down, money, yeah. Jackson money, Jackson money, go down, Jackson money, go down, yeah, furniture, furniture, gonna dance, yeah, gonna dance, oh, gonna dance, oh, gonna dance, kulawaya. If you don't like music, unapenda nini? Ha ha. Natty, yeah, natty, natty, yeah, natty, natty, yeah, natty, natty, yeah, natty. Hey, Lord, yeah. Allo, I see caro, umado nyosore mano, ha. Yevo Wamado Kodi or Wamad Nyasore, when Wamado Kodi. Ah, I wake up in the morning, I wake up in the morning. I say hi to my Lord, I say hi to my Lord. Ah, who you are? Ah, Spencer. Ah, yeah. Wololo. Caro Akondani. Wololo caro. Wololo caro. Wololo caro. Have you seen Natty? Wololo caro. Wololo caro. Have you seen Natty? Ha ha. Frequently, Kulawan, yeah, Kulawan, Hello, on the vibe. Now stop it, guys. Keep on watching, guys. This is Maka Mugenda. Check on YouTube, subscribe. Yeah, now I'm here with my student now. This is a class, guys, class of Nyatiti now. This is a class. There's some people who ask me how to learn the instrument. I also do classes, guys, for those who want to join now. Just inbox me after this. And location now, I'm located in Diani, Kenya. Diani along Kwale County. Yeah, just keep on watching. It's Maka Mugenda. Kararwa also in the vibe. Kararwa right now, I'm teaching somebody how to play the instrument. Yeah, there's a lot of people have been asking, am I greedy? Because you know you have to share. I'm not greedy, yeah, nigga. Yeah, so I'm now sharing what I have with my friend Natty. Tell me, Natty, I have seen you watching, Natty. Also in the vibe, Blacky. Yeah, now I see there's a guy say, hello. There's a guy asking me if the student can play one song. Yeah, guys, can you allow the student to play one song? Can you allow him to play the one song? Just a question, because I see that comment I was not ignoring, but now the comment is now coming too much. Hey, Nyarukuyu is also in the vibe. Can he play or we play together? It's upon you to decide what is going on now, because now this is a class now, music class. In case you have any question, you can ask. Yeah, guys, Hello, are we together? Yes, we can. Yes, he can play. Let him play. Hey, Caroline. Mnamjaji vibaya vipi my love? And now he's playing. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Now, before you start playing, I want to translate the song. I want to give you more information about the song. The song is about happiness. The song "Husband We Are Together." Okay, the song is about happiness. He just asking how are you? Are you getting? How are you? Why are you happy? The song is asking why are you happy now? Why are you happy now? Why? Yeah. So the funny thing, the guy also answered the question. Is happy because he's now sleeping on the bed. Are you getting? So that's the translation about the song. Let's continue.
Amor kalingi otanda, amor kalingi otanda, odipi mor nango. Amor kalingi otanda, amor kalingi otanda, amor kalingi otanda, yatumi mor nango.
Amor kalingi otanda, amor kalingi otanda. Yeah. Niye agiye. I see Mama G. Let's continue. Agusa on the vibe, Agusa on the vibe, Agusa on the vibe, yeah, voila on the vibe, yeah. Washington, Bavale, you can sigh. Amor kalingi otanda, amor kalingi otanda, amor kalingi otanda, amor kalingi otanda. Yeah, Mary, yeah. Ni Mary, where are you? Ni Mary, where are you? Washington, Baba. Can you dance in your titi? Can you dance in your titi? Yeah. Can you dance in your titi? Get yeah. Nambela Baba Dixon. Aye. Shake on the vibe, shake on the vibe, Carrara. Shake on the vibe, shake on the vibe, shake on the vibe, Carrara on the vibe, Carrara on the vibe, Carrara. Yeah. Carrara on the vibe. Can you dance in your titi? 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 Yeah! Kula! Yeah! Thank you so much, Bold Queen! Yeah, Kasaudi acha tu. That's Sikuelewi. Okay, guys, keep on watching Millennium Ukunda. Lisa joined from Millennium Ukunda. How is it? How are you? Hata mimi niko Ukunda bwana. Mimi Ukunda, guys. Keep on watching this Maka Mugenda. This is a class now. Sauti iko sawa. Thank you so much Muende for your comment. Yeah, Meta Henya. Valley. Wachane nyate dako wadwa. But I don't want to go on a nyati. I don't want to go on a bit. Ting 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 ting. I want the guy to play for me one bit. Say ting 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 ting. Lisa Jamil. Thanks so much, Lisa. Yeah, this is a class, guys. Simon, are you getting something? Mia tempo. Yeah, see London also the vibe. Yeah. Yeah, he's learning very fast. Yeah, Nilos on the vibe. Oh, Mama Zangulo. Oh, Mama Zangulo. Oh, Mama Zangulo. Oh, Mama Zangulo. Nio. Yeah. Dominico. Have you seen Mama Zangulo? Have you seen Zangulo? Have you seen Mama Zangulo? Ah. Have you seen Mama Zangulo? Yeah. Have you seen Mama Zangulo? Have you seen Mama Zangulo? Hello. Have you seen Mama Lipa? Ah. Mumbembe Zangulo Dayo. Have you seen Mama Zangulo? Jacochi Losea. Have you seen Mama Zangulo? Tony B. Have you seen Mama Zangulo? Hello. Have you seen Mama Zangulo? Hello. Have you seen Mama Zangulo? Kulawaya. Seen Mama Zangulo. Wait. Yeah, tag me na, Mama. Ciao, bro. Johnny B. I wanna marry Zangulo, but her mother insists. I wanna marry Zangulo, but her mother insists. Why, Mama Zangulo? Ah. Why, Mama Zangulo? What do you want? Why, Mama Zangulo? Why, Mama Zangulo? Hello? Why, Mama Zangulo? Tony B. Why, Mama Odinga? Ah. Why, Mama Zangulo? Ulaya. Why, Mama Zangulo? Yeah, the ball queen. Why, Mama Zangulo? Kulawai. I wanna marry Zangulo, but her mother refused. Why, Mama Zangulo? Kulawai. Why, Mama Zangulo? Yeah, now I'm Jerry. Nothing no better to conye. Ah, Colo. Niegare. Treasurer. The ball queen. The ball queen gonna dance. The ball queen gonna dance. The ball queen gonna dance. The ball queen gonna bang. Yeah, Tony B. Yeah. Hello, Mama Tao. Hello. Where is Tony B? Where is Tony B? Where is Tony B? Where is Tony B? My brother Tony B. Where is Tony B? Where is Tony B? Izumi. Where is Tony B? Yeah. Mama Tao, Mama. Mama Tao, Mama. Mama Tao, Mama. Dero. danced Nyatiti? Yeah, the ball queen. Have you danced Nyatiti? Hey, Zubi. Have you danced Nyatiti? The ball queen. Have you danced Nyatiti? Love you. Have you danced Nyatiti? Reina. Have you danced Nyatiti? Yeah. Have you danced Nyatiti? Kolawaya. Have you danced Nyatsubi? Have you danced Nyati Kolawaya? Mama down, where are you? 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 Yeah, the ball queen. Yeah, Tony also the vibe. Omera Chungutum. Yeah, guys, I'm really happy to see you watching, guys. Right now, I'm in a class. You are enjoying, but me, I'm in class. This is my student, guys. Is my student now is learning. Yeah, we are in a learning session right now. Is doing we call it the third stage in Nyatiti. Where we have a lot of stages in Nyatiti for those who want to learn more about the instrument. Yeah, so this is a class, we call it class of singing. Now he's learning how to sing, because right now he can be able, he can play the instrument, and right now he's learning how to sing, how to compose a song, and that's the main reason why I'm vibing with the student. Charlie also in the vibe. Yeah, right now we are enjoying the class now. I'm happy seeing Zubi. Zubi also have already joined. The guys called Joey. Hey, Joey. Hey, Omera, that's a big name. Joey is a buffalo soldier. Yeah, tell them your name, one.
Modipo. I'm called Odipo.
Yeah, the guys. I'll continue.
And I'm learning how to play the instrument. Thank you for watching me.
Yeah.
And you can tell me where I'm making a mistake so that I can work on it.
Okay, by the way, it's very nice. The students have already said you can put down your comments in case of any mistake you say by the time he is playing, so that he can now learn. Nice to hear. Thank you so much, Zubi. Yeah, he can now learn because of you. By the time you put down your comment, you say the student is this and that, he will learn from the mistake he have already did. Yeah, thank you so much. Keep on watching this Maka Mugenda. Put down your comment. This is a class. There's a lot of people asking me how to join, how to learn the instrument. Right now, I have 3 students, but right now I have 1 here. Yeah, so you can join, you can learn. Charlie also in the vibe. Thank you so much. Keep on watching. Now, wagon gimana buana?
Mlonga.
Yeah, Zubi. You do Moacho. He say he want to play Mlonga. Scottish Embrace. Wow. Today I have a Coco also from Omera. Actually, people. Scottish Embrace in the vibe now. We are in class, guys, for those who have already joined now. Atoti, Omera, Maka Mugenda, Scottish Embrace. I'm really happy to see you. Now I have my student. You see him now. I'm teaching how to play the instrument. Let's continue. Start. Scottish, yeah. Orgasmo. Alungi lungi, alungi lungi, alungi lungi. Orgasmo, alungi lungi. Scottish, alungi lungi, akoki lungi lungi. Charlie lungi lungi. Unisawino, yeah. Scottish, can you dance? Scottish, can you dance? Zubi miela miela, Zubi miel, miel, orgasmo. Yeah, oga, ogale, oga, ogale, oga, ogale, yawa, oga, ogale, ni zubi, zubi, zubile, yawa, zubi, zubi, Scotty, barongo, barongo baba, hey, barongo baba, barongo baba, zubi, zubi baba, ni zubi baba, hey. Analuongo na jalu, zubi baba nyakawe, yoi, yoi, wadi, yoi, ah, yoi, Gosma, orgasmo, yoi, ah, orgasmo, yoi, Scottish Osandeva, oga babale, oga lele. Orgasmo! Yeah! Mungena makompunya jango malungo zubi. Hey! Wololo zubile. Orgasmo! Yeah! Oga dance. Orgasmo! Oga dance. Oga dance, wati baba. Oga dance, oga dance, oga dance, ya. Oga dance, zubi chamtum, oga ye, zubi cham, Scottish chamtum, zubi chamtum, pula. Yeah, Scottish go down. Scottish go down, hey, Scottish go down. Can you shake, Can you shake, Scottish? Can you shake, Champum? Can you shake, Ale? Can you shake, Omala mama? Can you shake, Scottish? Can you shake, oh, can you shake, Kanungo? Can you shake, Kanungo? Can you shake, Kanungo? Shake, Kanungo, Kanungo. Yeah! Ah, coca. Yeah, coca. Joseph designer. Karen Olsen deba. We gonna kona. Yeah. We gonna kona. Kulawaya. We gonna kona. Ubuntu. We gonna kona. Yeah. We gonna orgasmo. We gonna yeah, Scottish. We gonna orgasmo. Hey, where is Zubi? Yawa Zubi baba. Joey. I don't know about Randy. But pole. Pole.
Kila numa cha disadvantage mama cha nga tokoto uro ginecha. Tokoto uro itika kiawe gani. Mari school cha no dipoto uro ni kina no dipoto uro. Kenya pita no uro bicha na no chicha to peta ila pesa. Isemi Jehova.
Aje no tamu wangu joteko. Dia mereka udah mama. Kalau dua kau kamar lain ala pemedi kunci mah. Dia mudah kan. Dia mesti wajar kain. Kalau sabun.
Dua tu.
Nunggu live yang kau tu mungkin nggak membakar. Kabel logam. Wildflower. Welcome in the class now, Wildflower. You are the first one. Mana ni kau ya bara? I see Devi Juma. Jammu Devi Juma. How are you, Babale? How are you, Babale? Jameson. How are you, Babale? These are live recording. How are you, Babale? Kulawaya. Yes, yeah. How are you, Babale? Meshack also in the vibe. How are you, Baba? Collector Matindungu. How are you, Matobe? Yeah, mother. How are you, Mamale? Jolly. How are you, Babale? Excellent. How are you, Baba? Papa Desi. Longa, Babale. Yeah. Kulawaya. Bingona. Nio. Magia. Yazo Baba. Dante. Dante akondani. Pretty. Pretty akondani. Yeah. Ako. Pretty akondani. How are you? I don't know. I don't see your name. Pretty akondani. Samir. Victoria. Vicky akondani. Are you dancing with Vicky? You are you akondani. Lucy. Denda. Akondani. Magilele. Magi akonda. Christine. Tap the screen, guys. Screen akonda. Pastor Joshua. Barigan Jacob. Nani akonda. Joshua. Silly akonda. Lily. Sharon. Akonda. Sharon Bamba. Sharon akonda. Can you dance, Sharon? Akonda. Sharon baby. Yeah, Akonda, pretty. Akonda, this is a class now. Yeah. Akonda, Mohammed also in the vibe. Casey. Akonda, Coach Johnson in the vibe. Akonda, Solo Baba. Akonda, Kabara. Judy. Akonda, full-time FC. Wakonda Kulawaya. Hata mimi sijui bwana. Ati huyu jamaa anaimba nini? Freddy. Akonda Faith also Brenda. Nitumuero gunja punji. Odipo kwachu. Ipo Akonda. Yeah. Neti Mawia Kamau. Akonda Mawia. Akonda. Can you dance really? Kulawaya. Wolono babale. Somalia. Yeah, guys, keep on watching this Makamugenda, guys. I love you so much. Mawia. Wow. Mawia, thank you so much. Come on, Mawia. There's a vibe now. Yeah. Mawia, keep on watching. This is a class now. I'm teaching how to play the instrument with my student now here. Let's continue. Let's play one song from Mawia. Yeah. Daria. Basement also the vibe. The king. Yeah, Mawia. Yeah. Yeah, Mawia. Kiki baba, I won't be woke. Yeah, Mawia. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Mawia. Hello. Agalbodo, hello, Kamamu. Ah. Have you seen Kamamu, Charlie? Have you seen Kamamu? Yeah, Maria. Have you seen Kamamu, Laura? Have you seen Kamamu, Maria? In your filter, seen Kamamu, Lolo, Maria, yeah. Lolo, Maria, Maria, Mom, can you dance? Kamamu, yeah. Have you seen Kamamu, Simon, Omoni? Have you seen Kamamu? Have you seen Kamamu? Yeah. Kamamu, more beauty. Kamamu, more beauty. Yeah. Maria, Kamamu, more beauty. Yeah, I got to. Oh no, I got to. Judy, pretty missing. Can you dance now? Brian also in the vibe. We gonna. Yeah, Charlie baby, Charlie mama. Have you seen Kamamu? Yeah. Have you seen Kamamu? Kamamu. Yeah. Have you seen Kamamu? Yeah, Charlie. Have you seen Kamamu? Kate also in the vibe. Have you seen Kamamu? Yes, Kai. Have you seen Kamamu? Kamamu, more beauty. Kamamu, more beauty. Kamamu, more beauty. Kamamu, more Maria. Hey, Wanjiku. Ha. Wanjiku, can you dance? Yeah. Maria, naweza. Yeah. Maria, naweza. Kamamu. Where are you, Kamamu? Where are you, Kamamu? Where are you, Kamamu? Where are you, Kamamu? Yeah. I don't hear you dancing. I got to do it. I got to do it. Yeah. I got to do it. Yeah. I got to. Maria. I got to do it. I got to do it. Yeah. Maria, can you shake? Maria, can you shake? Can you shake, Maria? Yeah. Sura inaweza. Sura inaweza. Ah, more beauty. Sura inaweza. Maria. Sura inaweza. Go ahead. Wanjiku hanada. Yeah. Have you seen Maria? Morae. Have you seen Maria? Mora, oh, Mora. Mora, oh, Mora. White lion. Mora, oh, Moxia. Listen to the bar. Yeah. Maria, can you dance? Atoti. Maria, can you dance? Yeah. Maria, can you dance? Are you ready? Maria, can you dance? I want to take you Kisumu. Maria, can you dance? Have you tested ngege? Maria, can you dance? Yeah. Drink also on the bar. Kulawaya. Kulawaya. Guys, check on YouTube. Subscribe. By the name Maka Mugenda. Maka with M-A-K-A. Big boss. Thank you so much, Maria. Maria, remember to subscribe on my YouTube channel. It's Maka Mugenda. Yeah. Utakulangege. Utakulangege. Yeah. Utakulangege. Utakulangege. Julie. Utakulangege. Ajemi. Utakulangege. Mari. Kate. Utakulangege. Yebi. Vincero. Utakulangege. Put down your comment, guys. Utakulangege. Johnny Manze. Kennedy Bello. Utakulambuta. Lunchtime vibe. utakula mbuta. Damae, utakula mbuta. Will you eat mbuta? Mama Brayo, utakula mbuta. Brayo Gloria, utakula mbuta. Adam, utakula mbuta. Evalelea, utakula mbuta. Leo is mbuta time. Utakula mbuta. Hey! Right now, put down your name. This is a time now to vibe with friends. This is a class now, we call it Nyatiti class. Yeah, Raivi. Hey, hey, hey. This is Nyatiti class, guys. Yeah, everyone have to dance, enjoy. Remember, today is a weekend. Hello, with Nyatiti, Victor Oche, Eugene. Put down your name. Now, now collection of the utakula mbuta, utakula mbuta, baba, utakula mbuta. Yeah, this is a lifetime vibe. Utakula mbuta, now mutakula. Yeah, I gonna take Roberto Chien. Kill me now with the gift, guys. Yeah. Go down, everyone. Go down, everyone. Yeah. Go down, Tukun. And go down, Tukun. Go down, Tukun. Yeah. Go down, Tukun. Chilin. Chilin, Babali. Ha ha. Roga, roga. Yeah. Kun. Go down, yeah. Go down, go down. Remember to subscribe also in YouTube, guys. Go down, support in YouTube. Go down, yeah. Go down, Baba. Go down, Kulawa. If you have somebody you love now, this is the time you ask him one question. Utakulangege, haha. Yeah. Utakulangege, twende sasa. Utakulangege, baba. Hello, utakulangege. Yeah, Mickey, utakulangege, baba. Walala, utakulangege, mama. Ama takula pizza. Yeah, tukun also in the vibe. Tukun baba, tukun baba. Now this is a class now with the vibing class. Nyatiti, Ramsa, Ramsa, Ramsa. Yeah, I see Mickey, Kulangoma. This is Nyatiti instrument from Luo community in Kenya. Atago, Sushi, Sushile, Kulawaya. Remember, it's Maka Mugenda. Check on YouTube, guys. Subscribe, watch, share what you have there. Put down your comment. Wow, I love you guys watching. Keep on watching this Maka Mugenda on YouTube. Subscribe, please. It's Maka with M-A-K-A space Mugenda. I love to see you watching, guys. This is Nyatiti class now. If you want to join any, if you want to learn the instrument right now, I'm here in class now, guys. You are enjoying, but me now, I'm teaching my friend now here to learn the instrument. I see there's a lot of people, 70 people watching now, guys. Please subscribe on my YouTube channel. Coca! Let's continue. Inboxer. Karaya. Jaboro. Esia. Acholi. Acholi. Esia baba. Acholi. Esia lele. Acholi. Ugenya mama kanye yafiwa. Papa disi. Kale, Acholi, Koka, Baba, Acholi. Do you know Acholi people in Kenya? Yeah? We have one now. He's a great friend of mine by the name Coca. Seliaye, 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 Sonia. Kulawaya, actually, Coca, yeah. Now we have the time now. Coca Baba, actually, where's Coca? Man, yeah, actually. Kulawaya, actually, Driam, DM also in the vibe. Drum also in the vibe. Lizzie Mama, Kulangoma. Have you, Sally catch. We gonna dance, we gonna dance, you're gonna dance. Have you dance, Sally? Nyatiti, hey, Nyatiti, Nyatiti. I'll play for you, Nyatiti. Forget about Matiti. Ah, you have to forget about Matiti, guys. Have you danced Baba Nyatiti? Yes, Sally. Ah. Have you danced Nyatiti? Forget about Matiti. Hey. Yeah. Yeah, my busy guys. I don't like that. Now this is the time to dance Nyatiti. Yeah, Mama T. Helena Mayo. Helena Mayo. Helena Mayo. Can you dance Nyatiti? Forget about Matiti. Jump oh. Ah. Yeah. Ah, now there's a vibe guy. Yes, Baba. Yes, Baba. On the vibe now. Yes, yeah, yeah. Can you dance, Baba? Yeah. Magiko, Magiko. Magiko also in the vibe. Remember it's Maka Mugenda. Playing Nyatiti. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Christina. Tina Ole. Tina, baby. Ah, put down your comment, guys, if you don't feel the vibe. Hello. Well, no, sweet Nani. I wanna take you to the yard. Yeah. I wanna take you to McDonald's. Ah. I wanna take you to McDonald's so we can have pizza. If you don't like pizza, I wanna take you to Biani. Ili kule pepa bari. Hello, Fever Bilo. Gonna. Nathan Mota. Not a Baba. Manuel. Paulina, Vandross Baba. Have you danced Nyatiti? Vandross, have you danced Nyatiti? Vandross Baba. Have you danced Nyatiti? Playboy. Have you danced Nyatiti? Vandross Baba. Yeah. This is from Blue. Ah, Jalu. Ah, Jalu. Vandross. Jalu. Ulawa. Maya Fuenya. Jalu. Vandross Baba. Have you danced Nyatiti? Yeah, Playboy. Playboy. They are in the vibe. Eddie, General, Andros Baba, yeah. Mama Nada, Solenka, yeah. I see Wizi Kasuku, Wono Kipto, Legacy Mangwe, Zimo, Oyimtando. Ah, Bakaka. Ah, long life. www.charity.com dear. Yaboro, 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 Tilly Baba, Tilly Baba, thank you Tilly. Can you dance Tilly Rasa? Can you dance Tilly Sondiene? Yeah, Rex Baba, Tilly, Tilly. Tilly's also the bar. Tilly's bar. Joy, 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 Baba. And car, if Nico on the vibe now. Jump up, and Nico. Was the instrument is called Nyatiti. Nyatiti Vandros. Nyatiti, can you dance? Nyatiti, Vandros, my friend, can you dance? Nyatiti, Sality Craven, Dilly, Dilly dance, Dilly dance, Dilly dance, Dilly, Dilly dance, Dilly. Oh lo 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 lo. Charity also on the bar. Kore. Yeah, I see camera. Thank you so much, camera. I don't know your name, but camera. Thank you so much. I see your camera. Yeah, thank you so much. Gift camera. Yeah, Sally. Camera. I wanna take a camera. I wanna sing to camera, but I don't know your name. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Tell me your name. Maroe, Rumo, camera. Yeah. Well, no camera. Well, no camera. Yakim Dumba, have you seen camera? Well, no Baba, tell me your name, tell me your name. God is good all the time, God is good all the time, God is good all the time. Yeah, that is our nature, that is our nature, camera, that is our nature, that is our nature. Gonna dance, gonna dance, gonna dance. Griso! Aye! Saltiario, have you seen the camera? Saltiario, have you seen the camera? Okay, Chubaba, okay, Calio. Carolina, 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 bam bam, Carolina, Carolina. Gonna dance, gonna dance, gonna dance. Amirale, yo see, Anita, 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 Anita. Yeah. Wow, 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 wow. Friday also, yeah. All the time, God is good. All the time, God is good. Yeah, Jabaz. Nico, Nico, Nico. Sailo ya. Sailo, very loco nyingi donge. Very lo very. Iparo na kiai. Sailo Moon. Sailo Moon. Sailor Moon, oloko nyinge. Sailor Moon, oloko nyinge. Sailor Moon, oloko nyinge. Sailor Moon, oloko nyinge. Yeah. Tina penji nyingi mane. Tina penji nyingi mane. Iloko nyingi. Ve. Iloko nyingi. iloko nyingi tena dwari nyingi mane jange gaberi nyarubei nyarubei chamungolo kulawaya I wanna nyani ya bere ya sailo mun saila unu mama push also the by nyar ber oloko nyingi kenar yawa nyani oloko nyingi tina penje nade iloko nyingi jatum penje nade eril mama ni baro tie belo tieno ya Mr. Loy keep on watching Omera adwa mana dayo moro adwa dayo moro mondo oyuena kamna oyuena mna loya Winnie Jairo keep on watching Silo Moon also the vibe. I love you so much ya nyingi miloko ya nyingi do yan ber ma kola kidonjo kisungu madongo ma Silo Moon Omera kono ma ilo Silo Moon Omera Rootman also in the vibe nyinge duong sani ma nyinge duong iluongo mla kisungu madongo Fantabulous Omela Faina Moon of you nyapewa. Yeah, we want to play one song now, Lil Moon, and now we will end the Via Army in game. Lil Moon, Aban Fama. Lil Moon on the Via Spaka. Sabaka. Yeah. Cassidy, Silo Mule, Cassidy. Have you seen Silo Mule? Hey, Cassie. Have you seen Cassidy? Cassidy, can you dance? Cassie shake. Yeah, Silo. Nyingi emo jonya. Yeah, Silo Moon, have you seen Cassidy? More beauty, Cassidy. Remember, you gonna dance, you gonna ball, you gonna corner, Cassidy. Yeah, let me tell you, Kalo. Let me tell you something. What you go? Let me tell you something, Cassidy. Yeah. What my grandfather told me long time ago. Don't pay me until the vibe from America. My grandfather told me long time ago, Cassie, yeah, Mr. Don dancing, beautiful lady like Cassidy, and Melo, one not to born. Melo was created, Sailor was created, Cassidy was created, Don, ba 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 ba. Cassidy was not born, she was created on Monday. That's the main reason she's more beautiful. Armin on the vibe, yeah. Don't know me, bala bala. We go bala bala, oh man, bala bala, hey, bala bala, don't hear, bala bala, don't baba, bala bala, hula wire, bala bala, ah, yeah, oh mami, don't baba, yeah, silo, Cassidy, where's Cassidy, oh mami. Have you seen Dawn? Ah, oh mommy, Shadra. Do you know Obusuma, Ingoho? Yeah, Ingeli, Cassidy. Have you seen Dawn? No, mommy, Cassidy. Yeah. Kenya, Ken. Hello, Armin. I see Armin also on the vibe. Omwamina, Ingongo, yeah, Ingongo, Obusuma, Ingongo, yeah, Ingongo, Omwami, Ingongo. When you go back in village, Cassidy, let me tell you one thing we don't want. He must take Ingongo, yeah, Ingongo, and Obusuma, ha, Obusuma, Kenya, Obusuma, Berelia, Cassidy, can you dance? Mariam, yeah, Donald and the vibe from America. Oh, mommy, Ingongo, oh yeah, Obusuma, hello, Obusuma, ah, hey, Ingongo, I like Ingo, and Obusuma, Zedi, lele, yeah, Ingongo, hello, Ingongo, Omwami with Ingongo, Cassidy, Ingongo, ah, Ingo, Moon, Ingongo, ah, Ingo, your Western, Ingongo, Cassidy, yeah, Mr. Doni, ha ha, Cassidy was not born. Hello, Cassidy beauty without any makeup. Let me tell you, oh mommy, have you seen Cassidy? Doni lele, Sarah. Doni lele, Donald and the vibe. Cassidy, oh mommy, Ingongo, when I came mommy, I wanna eat Ingongo. Hello, Ingongo, Cassidy, Don, Mr. Donald and the vibe. Don't payment. Cassidy, you have to take everything you want. Don will pay. Yeah, Don will pay. Mr. Don will pay. Oh, mommy, Don will pay. Cassidy, don't worry. You can buy anything you want, Cassidy. Don will pay. Don will pay. Don payment also never, Mr. Don. Yo, oh mommy, Armin dancing, I'm in dancing, I'm in dancing, yeah, kasi dancing. Black Momo, eh. Militua, karibu omena da. I don't want to eat omena because we are here with the Mwami, yeah, Ingongo, ah.